Welcome to the session. Today, we will explore how to convert an input string into a unique whole number using a hashing algorithm. This technique is useful for indexing, data storage, and security applications. Let's dive in. Our goal is to take a string, process it using a hash function, and obtain a unique numerical value. This helps in data lookup and storage efficiency. The SDBM algorithm works by iterating through each character in the string, converting it to a character code, and using bitwise operations to generate a unique hash. This method ensures a balance between performance and uniqueness. The function first converts each character into its ASCII value, then uses bitwise operations to efficiently distribute these values across a wide range of numbers, ensuring a unique hash for different inputs. This table shows how different strings are converted into their respective ASCII values, and how these values contribute to the final hash output. Despite having similar characters, each string produces a distinct hash. Hashing is widely used in computing, from database indexing to cryptographic security. By converting strings into unique numerical values, we can optimize searches, ensure data integrity, and generate unique identifiers. In conclusion, we've learned how to convert strings into unique numerical values using the SDBM algorithm. This technique is useful in various fields, including databases, cryptography, and network load balancing. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.